Okay, very much, sir. This is microscope. We already learned in 8th class how to use microscope, but little bit we need to learn in 9th class also. Microscope first discovered by Anthony von Leeuwenhoek, 1674. In that year only born which science microbiology. That's why he also known as father of microbiology. So microscope later it is developed by, that means single lens microscope turns into compound microscope. It is also discovered by Jacques Janssen 1595. 1595. And finally after several modifications, the electron microscope, the powerful microscope discovered by Nalaska 1940. Okay, this is the history of microscope. And now in all pathological lab, means that which are used for blood sample, testing blood sample and hospitals. So for in school, all are utilized compound microscope. This is compound. So what is a compound microscope? The microscope which have more than one lens. ఒకదానికన్నా ఎక్కువ lenses ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు కాంపౌండ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. This is the one lens and this, see here 1 2 and here this one. So like this more than one, there are several lenses are there. So it is called as compound microscope. And so when you observe the microscope, there is several parts we observe. In textbook clearly mentioned the part. First part eyepiece. First part what? Eyepiece. So through eyepiece we are able to observe samples. What we need to observe clearly. Samples చూస్తాం. This is the eyepiece. And next one, this part, body tube. What we call this is
Body tube.
eyepiece, body tube, eyepiece,
Body tube.
and this one, see here two parts are there. One is chorus adjustment, another one is fine adjustment. Chorus adjustment for focus sample, fine adjustment we need to observe clearly the image. For that purpose we use fine adjustment and focus for chorus adjustment. Both are utilized for focusing object. Next, this one stage. This one what?
Stage.
Clamp, you already know that. And finally, see here, this one, this rotating part we called as a nose piece. Nose
Piece.
So nose piece helpful for to utilize different types of lenses. Okay. Next. This one, see here, this part. Below the stage, there is a one part is available. So that part we call as condenser. So this condenser helpful for to send light beam near to the stage for observing clearly in the presence of light. So light ni చూడడానికి లైట్ ని లోపలికి పంపించడం బీమ్ అంటే ఇలా స్ట్రైట్ గా ఇలాగా చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట, ఫోకస్ ఏరియా చేస్తుంది. అండ్ దిస్ వన్ mirror. So for reflecting light into the condenser. Okay. And this one finally horseshoe basement. See, look like horseshoe, look like. So that's why it is said to be horseshoe basement, which is supported to total body of microscope. And finally arm. So arm supported for attaching body tube to horseshoe basement. Okay. So this is the link between nose piece and body tube and basement. Okay. So very important parts must be we need to learn. After that we need to use this one. Okay. So that is the about compound microscope. Okay. That's it. అది మైక్రోస్కోప్లో పార్ట్స్ మనం ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకుంటే అవే నోస్ పీస్, బాడీ ట్యూబ్,